This is a story about Sudsy and Soapy. Sudsy is a friendly bar of hand soap. Soapy is a happy liquid soap. They live at your sink and wait for you. Sudsy, the bar of soap, sits on your soap tray and is always ready to help you wash your hands and get them real clean. Soapy, the liquid soap, stands proudly on the edge of your sink, ready to pour smooth liquid soap into your hand when you press down on her hat. Nothing makes Soapy and Sudsy happier than to help you keep your hands real clean. One day, Soapy and Sudsy were sad. They hoped someone would visit them, but no one had.
"Our friends are outside playing,"
said Sudsy.
"Look!"
Soapy and Sudsy looked out the window and saw Alex flying a kite. Josh and Maria were playing in the sandbox. Sarah and Jamal were playing with Milin's new puppy.
"Our friends need to wash their hands when they come in,"
said Soapy.
"It will help keep them clean and healthy." "I hope they remember,"
said Sudsy.
"I have an idea,"
said Soapy, smiling. Soapy and Sudsy turned on the water, just a little cold and just a little hot to make the water nice and warm, the best kind for making bubbles. Then they splished and splashed and made lots and lots of bubbles. They gave each bubble a special message to help their friends remember to wash their hands.
"Bubbles, bubbles, don't be slow. To our friends you must go,"
said Soapy and Sudsy. The bubbles taught the children the important times to wash their hands. Before you eat, after playing outside, after using the toilet,
after playing with pets,
after sneezing or coughing,
because you are important.
And they sang a little song, too.
Remember, 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 don't forget. Follow Soapy and Sudsy's rules. Stay as healthy as you can get.
"I think they're coming," said Soapy. Suddenly the door opened.
"Hooray," said Sudsy. "Our friends have come to wash their hands."
"Hooray for clean hands," said the children. "Hooray, hooray!"